There are 4 simple balance exercises you can do in 5 minutes that dramatically reduce your risk of falling after age 60. Falls are the leading cause of injury death in seniors, but falls are not inevitable. They are a sign of untrained balance systems. Exercise number 3 is something physical therapists use to test fall risk. If you cannot do it, your risk is high right now. By the end of this video, you will have a complete 5-minute routine. No gym, no equipment, just you and your kitchen counter. I will show you exactly how to perform each movement safely, how to progress, and how to test your balance improvement over time. Balance is a skill like strength. If you do not use it, you lose it. But if you train it, it improves quickly. Your brain relies on vision, inner ear, and joint sensors to stay upright. These exercises train all 3 systems to work together perfectly. Research shows balance training reduces fall risk by nearly 40%. That is a massive reduction. It could save your life and independence. If this kind of practical health information matters to you, hit subscribe right now. I make videos like this every single week here. Before we start, safety rules. Do these exercises next to a sturdy counter or wall. You must have something to grab if needed. Wear supportive shoes or go barefoot on a non-slip surface. Do not wear socks on tile or wood floors. That is dangerous. If you feel dizzy, stop immediately. Sit down, drink water. Do not push through dizziness. Balance training should be challenging, but never unsafe. Exercise 1. Single leg stance. This is the foundation of all balance. It strengthens your ankles and forces your brain to stabilize quickly. Stand near the counter, feet hip-width apart. Lift one foot just an inch off the floor. Do not lift it high, just hover. Hold this position for 30 seconds. Keep your standing knees slightly soft, not locked. Look straight ahead at a fixed point on wall. Do not look at your feet. Looking down throws off your vestibular system. Keep your head level. Trust your feet to find stability. If you wobble, that is good. Wobbling means your brain is learning. It is recalibrating your sensors. Do not be afraid of the wobble. Switch legs. Hold for 30 seconds on the other side. Do 2 rounds, 1 minute per leg total. That is exercise 1 complete. To make it harder, try letting go of the counter. Hover your hands above it, ready to catch yourself, but do not touch. Exercise 2. Heel to toe stand. This narrows your base of support drastically. It mimics walking on a tightrope without moving forward yet. Place your right foot directly in front of your left foot. The heel of your right foot should touch the toes of left. Imagine you are standing on a balance beam. Squeeze your inner thighs together. This engages your core and stabilizers instantly. Stand tall. Hold this for 30 seconds. You will feel your ankles working hard. That burning sensation is strength building. It is protecting you from falls. Switch feet. Put the left foot in front. Hold for 30 seconds. The static hold builds the stability needed for the next movement. If this is too hard, stagger your feet slightly. They do not have to touch perfectly at first. Work up to a straight line. Now, if someone you love is unsteady on their feet, share this video with them right now. This simple routine prevents broken hips. Exercise 3. This is the big one. Tandem walking. Now we move. You are going to walk heel to toe in a straight line. Stand near a wall. Place one foot in front of the other. Heel to toe. Take a step. Place next foot directly in front. Keep your eyes up. Use the wall for light support if needed. Take 10 steps forward, then turn around carefully and walk back. This trains dynamic balance. Balance while moving. Most falls happen while walking or turning. This exercise specifically targets those dangerous transition moments daily. Do 10 steps forward and 10 steps back. Repeat 3 times. Move slowly. Speed hides instability. Slowness reveals it and fixes it permanently. If you can do this easily, try doing it backwards. Walking backwards heel to toe forces your brain to map space without vision. Exercise 4. The clock reach. This builds stability while your center of gravity shifts. It mimics reaching for something on a shelf safely. Stand on your left leg. Imagine you are in the center of a clock. 12 is front. 6 is back. 3 is side. With your right foot, tap 12 o'clock, then return to center. Tap 3 o'clock, return. Tap 6 o'clock, return. Keep weight on left leg, do 3 rounds on the clock with the right leg, then switch. Stand on the right leg, tap 12, tap 9, tap 6. This trains your standing leg to stabilize you while your body moves in different directions. It builds hip strength and ankle resilience simultaneously. If you lose balance, just put your foot down. Reset. Try again. The effort counts. Perfection is not required for improvement to happen. That is the routine. Single leg stance, heel to toe stand, tandem walking, clock reach, 5 minutes total. Do it every single day. Now let me give you a bonus tip, the sit to stand test. This measures leg strength, which is crucial for balance recovery. Sit in a sturdy chair, cross your arms over your chest. Stand up fully, then sit back down controlled. Do not use hands. See how many you can do in 30 seconds. If you cannot do at least 10, you need to strengthen your legs urgently. Weak legs lead to falls. Add squats or sit to stands to your routine if your number is low. Strength supports stability. Another tip, brush your teeth on one leg. You brush twice a day for 2 minutes. Use that time for balance practice. Stand on the left leg for the top teeth. Stand on the right leg for the bottom teeth. Hold the sink for safety. This simple habit adds 4 minutes of balance training daily without taking any extra time from your schedule. It creates consistency automatically. Consistency beats intensity. Doing this daily for 5 minutes is better than doing an hour once a week. Your brain needs daily reminders. Balance is use it or lose it. If you stop challenging your stability, your brain stops maintaining the neural pathways that keep you upright. Falls happen when we get complacent, when we stop moving in varied ways, when we only walk on flat, predictable surfaces every day. Challenge yourself. Walk on grass. Walk on sand. Step over obstacles. Safely expose your body to uneven environments to keep your reaction sharp. If you have a fear of falling, these exercises will build confidence. Confidence reduces stiffness. Stiffness actually increases fall risk. Relaxed movement is safer. Your independence depends on your ability to stay vertical. Do not take it for granted. Protect it with these 5 minutes every morning. Now, if this video helped you, I need you to do 3 things for me. They cost nothing and help others find this guide. First, hit subscribe and turn on the bell notification. I post honest, research-backed health content every single week, specifically for people over 60. Second, share this video right now with someone you love who is over 60. A spouse, a parent, a friend. Save them from falling. Third, drop a comment below. Tell me your balance score. Can you stand on one leg for 30 seconds? I read every comment. Next week I am covering the 3 common supplements that harm your kidneys after 60. Many seniors take these, thinking they are safe. Subscribe now so you do not miss it. Kidney health is vital for longevity. You need to know which supplements to avoid immediately. That is it for today. No fluff, no gimmicks, no lies. Just honest truth for people over 60. Stay balanced. See you next time.